Hey guys, welcome back to Less Expensive Fix. So today's video was still working on G35, and after we installed the new fuel pump, we have a problem with the new fuel pump. So they give us the temperature sensor for the fuel pump is bad. Even the fuel pump is brand new, so you got the code P0183 with the fuel pump temperature sensor is bad. So this way, guys, I just got another fuel pump. I'm gonna remove the old one, the new one that was installed yesterday, and I'm gonna put the new one again and see if we can fix this problem. So guys, we're gonna remove the back seats. So we're gonna do always both sides in here. Get on this side here like that, and you put it hard like that, and you go on the sides. That side too. Oh. There we go. So we can put it easy like that. Here we go. Let's remove the fuel pump, and we're gonna match the new one with the old one. And the second thing you have to do for safety, always disconnect the battery. After you remove your seats, push them back with the electric ones, then disconnect the battery. Like that, we have nothing short for the ECU, something or wires. Okay, disconnect the battery. Then we're gonna start remove the old fuel pump. We're gonna show the difference between the old pump and the new pump. Stay with me, guys. Okay guys, so I removed the fuel pump now. So pretty much it's the same brand, I just bought them. So but the difference here, like the old one I got, like the fuel pump fuse, like the temperature sensor up here, is plastic. The other one is metal. Always guys, get done one has metal, because plastic one is really bad quality, and this one you need to buy, though someone has plastic, not plastic, metal one. This is what's supposed to be on the car, and this was coming with the factory too. The aftermarket's come in plastic, and it doesn't read. This is why I got it yesterday. Like the last video I posted upon in the car, this was a new pump, but for some reason it doesn't work. So I just got another one because I have lifetime warranty. So I got another one for free. So that put in there and see what's going on. If it's gotta be work or not. Okay guys, so you see the sensor here? This is the temperature sensor, and you're supposed to be got a metal one like this one. This is the best one. The other one is plastic. So this is good quality brand. And always guys, make sure there is a gasket over here, and remove the old one from the hose, the one you go there, before you put everything back. Okay guys, so after I put the new fuel pump, everything worked properly. Like there is no leak in here. All we have to make sure if there is a leak. If there is a leak, I have to fix it by the way. So let's see, there is no fuel leak. And when I put the ECU, there is no code anymore. So the problem got fixed. So let's close everything back, and we don't have the car and see what's going on. Okay guys, if you got the fuel pump and you found out the sensor, this sensor here is plastic, don't buy it. This is fake parts. Always get the metal one, the one I showed you before. So this is why it's really bad. So guys, this is the part number if you need a part number for this, from Advanced Auto Parts, OEM parts. There's the fuel pump, there's the box to make sure it's the right box. So this is the fuel pump. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Like that, we keep showing more tricks. And anytime anyone has any question, please ask the question. I gotta answer the question as soon as possible. Thank you, and have a good one.